The crypto market has experienced rapid growth over the past few years. One coin which has benefited from this is Axie Infinity, rising 39,000% since its inception in 2020 and continuing to be a popular altcoin in 2022 due to its connection to the NFT industry. If you want to gain a stake in this high-growth market, then Axie Infinity could prove the perfect investment to do so. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at Axie Infinity, including its price history and a forward-looking prediction. We will also cover some of the best brokers to trade Axie Infinity with. And if you are new to this thing, let's have a quick look at what is Axie Infinity. But before that, welcome back to your channel Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. What is Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity is a non-fungible token, NFT-based multiplayer game. It is known for its online economy, which uses Ethereum-based tokens that players can trade between themselves. Axie Infinity shards, AX, are the Ethereum tokens used to power the game. Alongside powering the online game, AXS tokens can also be used to claim rewards for staking and partaking in governance votes. Is Axie Infinity a good investment? Let's see at some points. In-game utility. One quality that makes Axie Infinity a good investment opportunity is the utility that the token has in powering the game. The game currently has over 2.8 million daily players with a whopping $3.6 billion of AXS traded in-game. As these numbers multiply, AXS coin could rise in value. Holding AXS coin also allows users to have a direct say in how the game is run and how it will be managed in the future. Crypto risks. The crypto market is heavily volatile, and investors should be aware of this before investing in any coin. Another point to note is that cryptos often move in line with Bitcoin, which acts as a proxy for markets. This means that even though Axie may be performing well, Bitcoin could stunt its growth. The verdict. Even considering the volatile crypto market, it seems logical to conclude that AXS coin could be a great investment for long-term growth. This is because of its real-world utility, powering a game with a large number of growing users. Axie Infinity, AX, current market status. According to CoinGecko, the price of AXS is $13.41 with a 24-hour trading volume of $156,388,195 at the time of writing. However, AXS has decreased to 10% in the last 24 hours. Moreover, Axie Infinity, AX, has a circulating supply of 80,079,528 AXS. Currently, AXS trades in cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance, FTX, Gate.io, Coinbase, Bitfinex, KuCoin, Gemini, Bitstamp, Crypto.com, Ox, Huobi Global, Bybit, and Kraken. Axie Infinity, AX, Price Prediction 2022. Axie Infinity, AX, holds the 4 to 6 position on CoinGecko right now. AXS Price Prediction 2022 is explained below with a weekly time frame. The above AXS weekly chart laid out a falling wedge pattern. In a falling wedge pattern, both the upper trend line, which connects the highs, and the lower trend line, which connects the lows, converge downwards. The wedge pattern in general indicates a trend reversal. Especially, the falling wedge signals a bullish reversal. This pattern indicates a breakout in the price trend towards an upswing. From the above chart, we can interpret that the momentum of the downtrend is slowing down. Currently, Axie Infinity, AX, is at $14.52. If the pattern continues, the price of AXS might reach the resistance level of $15.85, $25.87, $44.60, and $76.62. If the trend reverses, then the price of AXS may fall to $12.30 and $6.10. How to buy Axie Infinity. Now we have taken a look at the best places to buy Axie Infinity and also its price history and prediction. Let's now take a step-by-step look at how to buy AXS with our partnered broker eToro. Step 1. Set up your eToro account. The first step is to set up an eToro account. This can be done quickly and easily via the eToro website or smartphone app. Simply visit the homepage and follow the on-screen instructions, entering some personal details. Step 2. Verify your eToro account. Before you add funds to your wallet, you must verify it. This can be done by uploading 2 forms of ID, a driver's license, and a recent utility bill. eToro will aim to have these documents verified within minutes. Step 3. Deposit your funds. Now you have a verified account, you must deposit your funds. This can be done using a variety of payment methods, including bank transfer, debit/credit card, and also e-wallets such as PayPal and Skrill. Step 4. Buy AXS coin. Now you have a funded and verified account, you can purchase AXS coin. To do this, navigate to the search bar and type in Axie Infinity. From here, click the trade button and fill out an order form with your desired amount. Best places to buy Axie Infinity in 2022. Now we have had a quick look at each crypto broker, let's take a more in-depth look at each, including pros/cons, fees, and key features. 1. eToro. Our top broker pick is eToro. It is quick and easy to set up an account with eToro by visiting their website or their smartphone app. A top point to note about eToro is that you pay zero commission on all non-leveraged trades. The platform gives investors access to over 2,000 financial assets, including 30 cryptocurrencies. In addition to this, it is also FCA regulated, ensuring safe trading. The platform also supports copy and social trading. Social trading allows investors to easily connect with eToro's 30 million other users to share trading tips, insights, and opinions. Copy trading allows investors to copy some of eToro's best-performing portfolios. To set up an account, simply visit the website or app and follow the instructions. From here, you will have to enter some personal details to verify and fund your account. Funds can be added via a number of payment methods, including bank transfer, credit/debit card, and e-wallets such as PayPal and Skrill. 2. Binance. Our second broker pick is Binance. It is also one of the best places to buy Axie Infinity crypto, as it is the world's largest crypto exchange. This means it gives investors access to over 500 cryptocurrencies. It also offers 24/7 customer care via a designated customer hotline, which can be called if any queries occur with your account. To set up an account, you can simply visit the Binance website or smartphone app. From here, simply follow the on-screen instruction. Binance also offers more advanced trading tools, which can be great for more seasoned traders looking to perform technical analyses. 3. Coinbase. Our third best broker to buy Axie Infinity with is Coinbase. Having such an easy-to-use, simple interface, it is a great choice for beginner investors. What's more, it is available on iOS, Android, and desktop. To set up an account, simply visit the website and enter some personal details. Investors should be aware that Coinbase charges significantly high fees compared to eToro. Commission comes in at 1.49% each side of a trade. In addition to this, customer care is significantly worse compared to Binance. Concluding all this, with crypto markets seemingly on the rise, now could be a great time to add Axie Infinity to your portfolio. It also offers great real-world utility, meaning it could be a solid long-term performer. If you are looking for the right wallet and broker to trade Axie Infinity with, we recommend eToro.com. This is because it has a beginner-friendly UI and is well-regulated. Cryptosets are a highly volatile, unregulated investment product. No UK or EU investor protection. Your capital is at risk. Additionally, 68% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFD with this provider. You should consider whether you can afford to take a high risk of losing your money. So that is all we have for you today. Tell us your picks among these in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. Peace out.